What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is very impromptu. Surprisingly, the C63 fit majority of the stuff in there.
He's paying for interior cleaning after this though.
Yeah, I got you. As you guys can see from the title and the thumbnail, we got the wheels in today. I ordered them like 3 or 4 months ago, and then out of nowhere, with no warning, the wheels showed up. Right now we have the stock titanium forged wheels on. I'm gonna be keeping those wheels as my winter set, and then these new Vossen wheels as my summer set.
2,000 years later.
Damn. Okay, I didn't know my car was that loud. Alright guys, we're back. It's actually been a couple of days since I got the wheels installed. I didn't want to show you guys the car until I cleaned it. Let me know if you guys like the wheels. 3, 2, 1. Sits nice and flush with the fender. I believe the rears are 20 by 11 and the fronts are 19 by 9.5 or 19 by 10, one of those. Let me know what you guys think of the wheels. If you like it, hit that thumbs up button. Let me know that you guys like it. Next video most likely will be that DME versus Eurocharged video, and I'm excited to make that one. So make sure to subscribe so that way you guys don't miss that video. And I am absolutely starving, so I'm gonna go get some food and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.